In my case, the problem was caused by two things. First, the Xbox app was not installed, and second, gaming services needed to be repaired. First, check if the Xbox app is installed on your computer. To do this, open the Start menu and search for Xbox. If you do not have the Xbox app installed, open the Microsoft Store, search for Xbox, and install it. After installing the Xbox app, try launching Forza Horizon again. Step 2. If the game still does not launch, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Gaming Services Repair Tool. Then click the first official Microsoft link. On the Microsoft support page, scroll down until you find Downloadable Version. Open that section. Then scroll down until you see Download the Gaming Services Repair Tool for PC. Click the link and download the tool. Step 4. After the download is finished, run the .exe file. A command window will open, and the repair process will start. When it asks, "Did it fix your issue?" press Y, then press Enter. After that, you can close the program. Now open Forza Horizon 6 again. The game should now launch correctly. That is all. I hope this helped.